Need a better way to organize and compare before and after images of field tasks across multiple locations? With MAPOG, you can link photos to mapped locations and track field activities through interactive maps. Open story.mapog.com and go to Open Workspace under the Operations and Planning section. Navigate to Locations, click Add, and select New Location Type to create a location template. Enter a name for the template, choose a suitable color, and set the geometry type as a point. Then add the attributes you want to capture for each location, such as text fields, numbers, drop-downs, or multi-select options. Once configured, click Create Type. Next, open the Upload section and select the template you just created. Next, upload your CSV or Excel file containing the location data. Assign a unique ID to each location to prevent duplicates. Then, match your spreadsheet columns to the corresponding attributes, map the latitude and longitude fields, and then click Submit. Once the locations are uploaded, you can edit the point to enrich them with additional information. Here, you can add photos and update any details associated with that point. When you're done, click Save. Now, navigate to Tasks, select Task Type Setup, and search for your location template. Here, you can also add new task type according to your task requirement by selecting Add Task Type or open the default completion form. This form helps standardize reporting. Then, choose a task type such as Check, Fix, Follow Up, Inspection, or Work, and create a task-specific questionnaire using field types like Text, Select, Multi-Select, Number, or Image Upload. Create questionnaires for all the task types. Return to your locations, open the desired location, and click Add Task. Select a task type. Enter a title and description. Set the due date, deal value, status, and priority, and assign the task to team members. If a team member hasn't been added yet, click Add New, enter their email address, select a role, send the invitation, and then choose them from the assignment list. You can also enable the option to allow assigned members to edit location. On the MAPOG Contributor app, go to the My Task section to view all tasks assigned to you. Select the task you are working on and update its status as progress is made. Upload before images to document the site's initial condition. Then moving it from started to completed once the work is finished. Open the completion form and fill in all the required details to document the task outcome. You can also upload after images to provide visual proof of the work completed. Submit the completion form to officially mark the task as completed. Back on the dashboard, managers can monitor all tasks through the review section. They can approve completed tasks, provide feedback if needed, and submit the review to finalize the process. If satisfied, update status to Done, and submit the form. Go to Open Workspace under the Create and Publish section and click Create New Map. Choose the Template option, select Category Template, and continue. Enter a title and description for your map. Then open the Settings panel, upload your logo if required, and save the configuration. Next, click Add Location and select Add via Library. Search for the location template you created earlier and choose the locations you want to display. Click Add Business Locations to place them on the map. To organize the data, use Group by Attributes to categorize locations based on attributes. You can also apply filters to focus on specific information. To customize the appearance of the map, select Add Layer Style, choose Category Style, and pick the attribute you want to visualize. Then assign icons and colors to each category and save the style. Once your map is ready, open Preview and Share to configure sharing options. Choose whether the map should remain private or be publicly accessible. You can share it using a direct link, embed it on a website, or invite collaborators and assign different access levels. MAPOG brings locations, tasks, forms, and before and after images together in one interactive map. For help with data uploads, map analysis, map stories, or GIS consultancy, contact support@mapog.com.